Next game ba?
Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Justin Baltasar, and Coach Franco Atienza of Converge. Coach, I'll start with you. First of all, congratulations with the win. I want to go back to that third quarter wherein you were outscored by TNT. What did you see in that quarter, and how are you able to regain control in the fourth?
First of all, we thank God for this win, and we give credit to a champion team na talagang pinahirapan kami this game. Yeah, so we know Coconut Tech is a good team. I believe in my heart na even without RHJ, yung DNA na of home field. So we went up by double digits in the first half. Pero we know they would come back. So napag-usapan namin sa halftime na maging very tiring kasi hindi basta-basta bibigay yung team na yan. So yun nga, nangyari. Nagkaroon ng score ng Balaji, it was 32-18 ng third quarter. But it's nice naman na kahit na we're talking, I think we spoke about it, yung adversity. I mean, two things that we want to improve. If that was your question, what first would be yung consistency, and then battling adversity. Yun yung adversity na nakuha namin ng third quarter. Nasubukan talaga kami. Toe-to-toe, possession by possession, kailangan namin na we-stop, kailangan namin we-score. Makakuha ka ng mga dikit dyan, mga dalawa-tatlong stops, tapos maka-score ka in between those. Medyo kumukuha ka ng paldo. So at least yun ang nangyari towards the endgame. And maganda kasi nandun, kapatabi ko, tapos si Arana na nandun, si Shawnee, si Alec, naging veterans like Kirax showed up. Yun yung point guards namin, Jay and MJ. Nagpakita eh. So, for a young team like ours, malaking bagay yung ganitong close game na masusubukan namin na sa adversity. And I think naipasa namin ito against a back-to-back champion performance institutions. But again, we will be ready kasi medyo how we will game nila sa next game namin, which is on Wednesday. Hopefully, we're able to sustain that. And yun yung team na nag-knockout sa amin ng quarters eh. So, we look forward to that meeting and just give these guys some rest tapos balik ulit kami.
Thank you, Coach. Now, bakit pinag-usapan na natin before the game how this all-Filipino, mas mabigat yung minuto mo at Justin. And you have to work on yung hindi ka kakapusin sa dulo. Ano yung nakatulong sa'yo in this game na maging mas consistent yung performance mo every time nasa loob ka ng court?
Yun lang, magiging ready lang ako kasi itong token text naman natin na malakas na itong token text. So, kailangan namin takuluan, kailangan namin maging aggressive dito. So, yun na, ng fourth quarter, kailangan hindi namin bumitaw kasi ito kami nagka-problema. So, yun, nagiging ready lang talaga.
Pinawagan the floor to questions.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, at this win, malaking style ng like you said, during our second Wednesday, how important is to get both wins on these two sets left out by Montong Bay.
Congratulations siguro kami kasi medyo pagod pa yung token text from the last campaign. Hanggang game 7 yata yung ulit, tapos game 6 yata yung series, hanggang just not sure. And then medyo kakabalik lang din nila. So, but a win is a win and we will take it. Nakita naman natin kung ano yung game. Against the Shine, yun yung team na nagkakot sa mga quarters. And pareho din, mabilis, mga bata, mga tumatakbo, tira ng 3 points, so medyo hawing. Malaking bagay ito, as you said, we get this string of wins. Medyo nasa gitna na tayo, as kalahati na nga kami. I think 5 games na yata na natin sa game. And magandang pondo yun going into the latter stretch of our campaign. So hopefully we pass against another difficult test on Wednesday. We will prepare for that for sure.
So, you get an advantage considering si Reno Shine, wala si Bo, wala si Kako, tulong sila sa big man and ano yung si Kailan, hindi siya nagdaro.
Well, ayaw wala silang base. Grabe, 130 yung score. So, parang hindi na naramdaman. I mean, magaling yung staff nun. Especially Coach Jay, he's been in the business for a very long time. But we will be ready. I think, kahit may weakness sila, may mag-step up eh. Yung nangyari nga kanina. May mag-step up dun sa team na yun. And again, going to the battle, we will prepare for the best. Kahit, let's say, hindi pa sure, para mag-show up yung mga picks nila, pero we will prepare for the best and we will give our best din. Yun yung competition.
Actually, sabi nga ni Coach, sila yung nag-knockout sa inyo nung quarterfinals. So Wednesday pa, we come to this game na motivation ka to get back at the University, get your fourth win sa Pilipino.
Yun nga, masakit sa amin yun nung na-knockout kami sa quarter, so kailangan namin bawian to. Kung ano man maging preparation ng mga coaches, so yun, stick lang kami siguro.
But nasabi mo ba na finally settle down ka na dyan sa role mo sa Rainbow Shine dahil lately maganda
Converge.
Converge. Rainbow Shine kalaban nyo.
Alam ko na,
settle down but dahil maganda yung pinapakita nyo ni Justin Araki sa transport ng Converge.
Siguro kasi yun nga, same ang Rainbow Shine mga bata, mga bibilis din, parang same lang din sa amin. So kung ano man na ibabato sa amin o ibabato namin sa kanila siguro, pagandaan lang siguro ng depensa.
Coach, update lang pala kay Jordan Eddy. Out pa rin siya.
Yeah, out pa rin siya. But hopefully we get the good news in a couple of weeks. Pero hindi pa sure talaga. Right now, kung sino yung naka-line up, doon pa rin.
Before we wrap it up, a follow-up question from Sir Fidel. Yung 3 highest scoring games mo daw lahat dito sa Henares Antipolo. Is there something about the
Pwede ba ilipat yung game sa ano?
Lahat dito na lang.
Will Sports yun eh.
But is there anything about this sport na mas komportable ka or mas gamay?
Mas gabay lang siguro ngayon dito sa Pinas.
Historically, yung Henares, tough rims yan. Di ba historically, sa mga PB, ayaw maglaro dito dahil tough rim. Pero,
so, yun. Nagkataon lang siguro na kada dito maganda lang.
With that, we wrap up our post-game press conference.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
gentlemen.
good night. Good night, ladies and gents. Parang nag-trivia ni Sir Pinal eh.